Hey Valerie, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to discuss three things regarding your website and your business. First thing I want to cover is content. Second thing I want to cover is backlinks. And the third thing I want to cover is citations. So with that, let's get to it. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez, and I love what I do. So with that, let's get to it. So we have different businesses here when we pull up Pool Builder Santa Fe. Now, Angelico Enterprises does not show up in it's called what we call the organics. So these top three positions. Now, house.com, homeadvisor.com, and bbb.org.com are taking these top three positions. Now, your competitor right here, Santa Fe Pool Construction, are actually on the sixth position. So let's just go right ahead and pull up your website. Give me 1 second. Here we go. Okay, so I love what you did with your website. You have your header tabs here, profile, about us, client portal. It all looks wonderful. But what Google mostly looks for is content. Now, I see you have maybe approximately 600 uh, words of content. Google loves 1,500 to 2,000. So they have like these little robots that go through Google and they take inventory, and whichever ones look more organic, then that's the ones that rank. So um, moving forward, we have this tool. It's called Ahrefs. Now I took the liberty to plug in your website into this tool that we call Ahrefs. Now with this tool, we can determine how many keywords are in your website, how many referring domains and backlinks are going to your site. So basically we have your UR right here. It shows the strength of a target page link profile. And then we have the trust right here. And as we could see, you have a low trust rating right here. And I know it's a lot to understand, so I'll be brief. Now, when we go over to your competitor, let's take a look at his website. Now, his is Santa Fe Pool Construction is your competitor here. Now, have you mind when you go back, let me explain this real quick. When you go back to the top of House, Home Advisor, which we were talking about earlier. Now these, I'll say this, we can outrank them because they are not focused on SEO content. They can pretty much rank nationally, excuse me. So that is why they're in the top three. But if we rank in your local area using the proper keywords embedded in your website, then we can definitely beat these guys straight away. So with that, let's continue moving on. So right here is your competitor so these are the people that we want to beat. They are in the sixth position, and as you can tell, like I plugged in them in Ahrefs as well, and they have no power right here, or no trusted um, points in their for their website. So we can easily beat these guys. They have 7 organics. All we got to do is put 10 in there and we can beat them. So um, so that's pretty much sums up the content of what we're discussing. Now, secondly, I want to kind of touch on the backlinks, which we kind of already did. So when you hit backlinks here, I mean, this is what your competitor has. They have all these backlinks right here, and all these are anchored backlinks. So we have access to this, so we can definitely plug this into your site and whatever else we need to do. So in order to rank for internal backlinking and whatnot, we need to do what they're doing. So if we could do what they're doing and a little bit more, then that will help us to beat them in the long run. So thirdly, I want to talk about is citations. Now, it looks like you're doing pretty good. When you type in Pool Builder Santa Fe, you are on the top of the map pack. This is what we call the map pack, and you are pretty much doing awesome with citation work. So citations basically means it's just a bunch of, it's like a directory, like a phone book, as you will, a digital phone book that you are linked to. So you have uh, a lot of citations here. I mean, so it's pretty awesome that you're already ranking here. So pretty much with your your Google Business Profile, excuse me, you don't have to do too much with that. I mean, but as long as you're up here in the top 3 slots, you are good to go. And that's about all I have for you, Valerie. I really hope that you enjoyed the information today that we went over. Um, Feel free to contact me anytime if you feel like I can help you with any of this. If not, uh, keep the information for free. It's yours to keep. No harm, no foul. And with that, you have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.